I'm Christine, the anxious beginner. And that's Palais, our fearless captain. Together, we've bought a 45-foot sailboat, and we're ready for an adventure.
It's time to say goodbye to Vancouver, and we set sail for the Sunshine Coast. It was a delightful sail. Our heater parts have arrived, and it's time to deep clean this heater and get it working again. Hopefully remember how to put this thing back together. And just as we thought, the inside of the heater has a bunch of buildup. The buildup is blocking the airflow needed for combustion. Since it's such a pain to take this thing apart, we're going to give it an extra good cleaning. It's time to get serious. Ew! Okay, but back to the good part.
It's pretty dirty.
Serious part.
Oh, fuck. I dumped the screws out with the water. Okay, we got two of them. One. Two. There's another one. Oh, there's the fourth one.
Serious part.
Got the burner on, the blower motor, the computer brains, the little fuel thing, pump, the big bracket that actually holds it to the bulkhead, little cover, screwed the thermostat back on. That's it. Hopefully, we just plug it back in the boat, top up our coolant, and we have heat again. So we're headed back to the boat to mount the heater. Got my toolkit, some more antifreeze in case you run out, unrelated harness for climbing the mast, heater.
After running the heater for a few minutes, the white smoke went away and the heater works again.
We installed the heater and it works.
If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to join us on the next adventure, hit subscribe.